Everybody, welcome to the fascinating world of binary options. I'm Todd, that is my co-host Eric, and we want to welcome you to our live binary options trading session tonight. That's a noise we're not going to hear too much of because some trade tonight, and win 3 of those. We've got our numbers, know how much we're trading tonight, and hopefully you're in our inner circle. Trading and making money. So we're about to get started.
What's the topic?
Tonight's
topic?
In addition to 3 trades, we're going to be talking about sing contest. It's something like this. Yeah, you ever seen a slapping contest?
I haven't. I've seen.
Yeah, it's going to be a good night.
Contest.
Oh, it would break my jaw.
But first, I'm going to do some pin clicking, just some random pin clicking. That's what I do right like before I trade every night. Yeah.
We are live.
If you were in a slapping contest, like with and you slapped like you just did just now, then you would lose really bad.
Not only would I lose, yeah, we'll just leave it at that.
You look like a little girl.
I look like I slap like fish, yeah.
Yeah, you look like you slap like a little girl.
Yeah. I probably do, I probably do. But hey. So how are these charts looking tonight? Do we know? I'm gonna slap some charts. Is what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. Have you ever seen a slapping contest though? Have you ever seen anything like this, dude? Have you ever seen anything like this?
Yeah, I think it's nuts, dude.
Dude, have you seen them? You've seen a slapping contest?
Yeah. Smack the crap out of each other. Yeah.
You see that?
I don't understand the point. Are you just trying to prove your manliness or what?
That guy slaps like a girl. That guy kind of slaps like a girl. Watch this guy.
Well, speaking of girls, they have this for girls too. They have a female division of this.
Okay. Well,
and I don't think you'd want to be. I don't think you'd want to be slapped by one of those girls because they look like they hit just as hard as some of the guys do.
Whoa. Dude, I've seen anyway, I saw a couple guys get knocked out. I mean, there's some big guys. Anyway, I don't understand this, but I am very intrigued by this idea of a girl slapping contest. Like, it's very interesting. You now? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, check this chick out, dude. She's going to be kicking some butt. He's like, do not slap her too hard. She has to put her hands behind her back, dude. They wind up, bam. Whoa. That was kind of a girly slap, too. I mean, she's like,
what is a girly slap? Trust me, that would have knocked you out, dude. Don't even say it's a girly slap.
It was a girly slap, dude.
You're gonna have all the ladies out there watching us hating on you tonight because.
Okay,
I volunteer Eric to line up and let any woman that wants to slap him so he can feel what a girl hits like, because he apparently thinks it's not very strong.
Okay, it's just the difference.
You're gonna owe every lady watching us an apology.
No, hold on. I'll show you. It's the difference.
Hold on. I gotta move.
Okay, wait.
Hang on.
I said it was a girly slap compared to this. Dude, watch this. Well, hold on. A girl. I mean, watch this guy. He basically knocks that big 400-pound guy over. I mean, those girls just. Yeah, I'm sure I would get knocked out. So I'm not saying that, but it just looked a little less than what I saw earlier. I saw a guy basically get his knocked out, totally knocked out, he was on the ground. He fell over. He didn't even get up, dude. These guys right here, they're like, let's see if he does a girly slap. Oh, that was kind of a girly slap by a big man.
Dude, I would not want to be hit.
Whoa. Do you want to be hit by that guy? Anyway. I don't
I
understand.
wouldn't want to be
this,
hit by
dude.
anybody, dude. I wouldn't let a child slap me like that, dude. It would hurt. I have weak jaws, dude.
I don't
I think that-
understand, man. I will tell you what, though. I have the biggest migraine in the history of migraines tonight, dude. It's insane. So
Well, you know-
I'm going to rely on you
Well,
to take us
I
home, brother.
I am looking at charts right now, and
Oh, you are? Okay.
I am waiting for just the right. I don't want a crap show like we had the other night. We had some bad charts. We time and the timing is everything. When you get used to a certain time, stick with it. If it's working for you, stick with that time because changing it up can mean a lot of difference.
Crap. Look at that. That's crap. Look at that. Well, and also we, yeah, I don't even know what to say about that night. That was terrible. But you know, tonight I'm going to rely on you because I'm going to look for double crosses while you're doing your thing. But I'm going to only look for
If you find a
perfect
smooth
setup,
trend,
which it looks like we just lost.
if you find a setup like you know I'm looking for, then
I will let you
I'm
know,
ju-
my man.
I am just gonna look on that. If we have to talk dudes and ladies slapping other ladies until I find what I'm looking for, so be it. Because I'm not
Hey,
taking
you want to jump in? Look
that
at
I'm
that
not
thing.
sure about.
Look
Look
at
at
that.
what
That's
thing?
hilarious. Oh,
What is-
the
oh, yeah.
starting trade tonight is $2.30. Also,
$2.30.
Just for the record, do not place these live trades with us. This is a podcast. It's got latency. In other words, you could be watching this on another day. Oh, oh, yeah. I don't know about that. I'm gonna
What
take
do
my
you
time, but I think this is I'm on Intel, and I think this is a double cross has happened, and we should watch this one a little bit because it might actually start doing what you're saying. If it breaks through that line, broke through that. It didn't really see.
It's
this
been in
still,
a big uptrend for a long time, so it's either down
yeah.
or it's just going to go down. It has known to go down for about middles and then go some. So we'll see if it's actually going to go down a little.
I don't
ways.
believe it.
It's
Yeah.
it's
Don't
nothing
place
that
these.
nothing.
I mean, it's a double cross, but the cross in the MACD was not out of oversold. It was just out of this area. I mean, it kind of is, but it's not of its.
Same thing with McDonald's right now. It's kind of doing the exact same thing.
I don't know. That's decent, but it's not. I didn't catch it in time. I need to catch it in time.
Well, McDonald's is starting to kind of trend down, and if it tanks like this, then then it's gonna be worth taking if it needs to do this. If it keeps going down,
Where's
just
McDonald's there?
McDonald's is starting to look nice. I like where it's going. If it
I can't even find
continues
McDonald's.
this, though.
There it is. Oh yeah. Well, that's one. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. You tell me what you think about that one. I that's a double cross out of oversold. I would take that one if you think it's right.
But you've got 7 seconds. It looks
got
like it's
4
going up, or look
seconds.
like it's going down.
You want?
Go ahead
I
and
don't
take
know,
it.
man.
Let it crick up a little bit, and then take it. Well, hold on, or don't. So we're in it now. So
Well, this is a double cross though, out of oversold for sure.
yeah, it's gonna. I think it's gonna keep going down. I don't think we're in a bad situation because I think it might keep going down here.
Yeah, I think so.
It's down. It seems to be going down. It's going to turn red any second, I think, and keep going downward. That's my guess. We'll see what it does here.
Well, you got 3. It's a massive uptrend. You got 3. What did I take this? Oh, it's 20 seconds. Okay. Yeah, you got 15 seconds. This could win. You still got 10 seconds. You got 8 seconds. Yeah, nice red candle. Keep going. 5 seconds. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
There it goes.
Call
There
down.
it goes.
Call
There it
down.
goes. Hit one. There we go.
That's right, baby. Ba-boom, boom. Ba-boom, boom. Well, that is amazing. I think tonight, you know what we need to do with that? We need to have a happy dance. Let's have a happy dance. That is fascinating world of binary options. That's how we do it. We roll like that.
That's how we roll. That was trade number one, win number one, right there, all together.
How did that win and then it turned green? We must have just won that right before it popped green because that candle ended green. That's insane. But I took it like
because
10 seconds.
because we entered the trade. The
here.
trade expired before the candle did.
Yeah. I'm gonna say so. We won and then it popped up. Oh, yeah, because we won it. Okay. Anyway, that was a good win. I only liked that one because it was a double cross and it was out of oversold. And had I seen it earlier, I would have taken it up here because it crossed there and it crossed there and it was kind of going down. Actually, I don't know. I wouldn't have taken this one because it was against the trend. But it
was
went
against
ahead
the
and
trend,
broke
but
the line.
yeah,
so then
it
once
wasn't
it broke
ideally.
the line, I was like, yeah. Ooh,
Usually,
ooh,
when
ooh,
I
ooh.
enter in on a trend like that, it's usually it's usually a bit more. Usually enter on is a ways back if you can see if you're on Apple. I don't know what you're on, but stuff
I
here.
got you.
But you'll see a big solid line of red candles there on Apple. That's usually what I get in on, something like that.
Yeah, well, find it, man. Find it tonight because that's our first win.
But we've got our first win anyway, so I'll take it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I am surfing around here looking for good
And
charts
look at
here.
Intel. Look at Intel because I think you might like that one too, in terms of a down bid because it's
If
setting
it
up.
keeps
kind of a
going, yeah,
nice-
it's kind of looking like that.
it's stepping. You know what I mean?
Actually,
Look at
yeah,
that
this
nice
is
steppage.
stepping. This is
Should I
stepping.
take this next candle? I think all the indicators say I can. But what do you
This
think?
is one that looks like you can. Yeah, I would definitely
Yes.
take the next one. Yeah.
I mean, it's stepping pretty steadily, and not wanting to
It
turn
is.
around.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know if that's the right one or not. I got you a little bit different timers tonight. I got you a little timer with a little relaxation.
I don't like it any.
It feels like, I mean, was this too premature? I mean, this looks like it could lose. Do you think it's going to pull down? It looks pretty steadily up on there. Is it going to start consolidating and we're going to lose this bid?
Can you hear me? Or
Yeah, I can hear you.
breaking up a little bit.
No, you weren't.
Headphones
you
were,
weren't
or
breaking
you
up.
were. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a loss for us.
Well, all right. Our next bid is 510. So what is that? What's wrong with that one? What was wrong with that one? I mean, it was stepping. I don't know. Did you feel it or did you not feel it?
I wasn't feeling anything major by it, but
Oh,
when I
then tell me.
okay, all right. Pfizer right now, Pfizer. This one I'm feeling. This one I am feeling, and I would definitely get in on the next one.
Get in on the next candle on Pfizer.
Yeah, I'd wait for the exact second. Take the next candle.
You sure? Yeah. I mean, you're feeling it.
I'm feeling it, but
Yeah. All right. I'm taking it in 5 seconds. It did break through. It's got some crazy wicks, which make me nervous, but it broke through. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got you another one tonight. Here's another one for our fun watchers and listeners of the podcast. What do you think that's going to do? That's a little more fun when you're looking at the candle. Does it take the pressure off your mind?
No, it kind of makes me nervous, to be honest with you. It makes me real nervous.
This feels like you're playing a video game, which I do feel like I'm playing a video game a lot of times when I'm bidding with you. Like,
Okay, kill the music
Well,
now. This one's got to go up now, and it's got 10 seconds
okay.
to launch up and keep going up, and then
yeah. Come on now. Yeah, baby. Boom.
there it goes. That's what I'm talking about.
We're gonna be having a dance party. Let's have a dance party.
Let's have it.
I can't believe you. Look how dangerous you are. Look at that, dude. That's like, that is crazy. That's a second win though. I'm gonna take that. I have a headache.
Did it win? Did it win? Did it
yeah.
win?
Did you not see it? Did you not see it win?
Well, no, I did see it win. That's when.
Okay.
And yes, it won. It was crazy, yeah. But it actually, the only thing that made me nervous about that was the wicks. But I was definitely feeling that little uptrend. Again, it wasn't as massive as what I like, but it was there. So,
okay.
and when you're in these, my strategy with this
Yeah,
is that when you
was
see
a
those,
lot of wicks for you to confirm.
it was because normally when it steps, I don't like to see a lot of wicks. But
Apple. Go to Apple. I'm in on this next candle on Apple if you think it's good because it is very low wicks. It's stepping up. You tell me if you feel Apple.
Yeah, that looks like a good one. It does look like a good one unless this candle has got 40 seconds left on this
Just
one.
think
If this
about
one if this one,
Even
tanks,
if this
then
one ends red, I mean, it's kind of been going up. It crossed back here, it crossed up here. They're all kind of heading up. I mean, unless you think it's going to turn around because it kind of hit the white line.
Well, it's at a white line, so it's hard to say.
Okay. Well, we can always wait and see if it confirms. But what do you think? Yeah, even if it was consolidation, though, it would be going back up. What do you think?
I think it's going to go back up. Yeah, it looks like it wants to pull up. So this is one it's a first bid, so I would take it.
Yeah, I think so too because of the strength of the only other thing I think is that wick is kind of big, but then again this MACD is going up, stochastic going up, the moving averages crossed over. I mean, it's kind of in a downtrend, but it's been stepping up really, really strongly over the last ones. And I don't know what our listeners think about this new music that I have. Maybe they can tell us, but I think it helps me, We're in on 20 seconds, so this doesn't feel right here. But it might go up. What do you think? Is this going back up? Candle Whisperer, we got 10 seconds. We got 10 seconds.
I don't know.
I don't know, man. 5 seconds.
If it does, it'll be a last second thing.
3 seconds. 2. We got 1 second.
Oh, no. I thought it was going to, but man. Yeah, it wanted to pull up, but it waited a minute.
Well, that's what it feels like.
We shall look for other charts here.
All right, we're on a second bid, and we are. I don't know.
Okay, you know what looks good is Facebook kind of looks good-ish, sort of.
I don't know, man. It's got a lot of wicks, and it's kind of volatile. I mean, I'm with you. I just saw it and thought, but it's pretty far down there. Really? Are we doing that now?
I think so. I think we're doing that. I think this is.
You know what? No, you know what looks good? McDonald's.
Are my headphones shorting out, or am I cutting out?
You're not shorting out, bro. McDonald's. No, it doesn't look right. No, It looks
Yeah,
like it might.
definitely
Ooh.
Facebook is going down.
Whoa, Amazon, dude, is really tanking. And it's also been, you said Facebook. Okay, so we're looking at Facebook and Amazon, but I'm not sure about Facebook. But look at
Yeah, I'm
Amazon. Amazon's on
not sure about.
Amazon on
I'm watching it, but
Amazon's on a double
okay.
cross. We've got one cross so far. I don't know if it
Amazon
crosses
is
again.
not necessarily in my kind of strategy. It was when it was those green candles over there, but
Okay, well, you keep looking
right
at
now it
Facebook
looks
and tell
kind of.
me how much you think this is when you'd enter. And if you would enter it, then I will not. It doesn't have to be this candle, but just that's kind of a doji almost. I mean, do you think it's going to turn around? Do you think it's going to go down?
It's not a lot
not
of. It's not real solid. I mean, it's tanking, but I
I
mean,
mean, it's Silver Surfer material.
if we can
'Cause it
get
is
one more
spreading
red
out.
candle out of it, if you can get one more red candle out of it, we would win our trade. So if you want to take this wallet, then you could take a down bid on it, take a down trade. I
mean,
guess you
when
call
it
that.
gets
But
like
hold
15 seconds
hold
or
on.
something. Yeah, remember, I'm waiting
hold
for
on.
15 seconds. I'm not going to bid on this until it gets
Yeah.
closer.
And if it's pulling up that much, I would just say hold off.
It keeps pulling up though. Look, pulled up, down, pulled up, down, pulled up,
Yeah.
down.
Wicks on all these, so that's not normal for it to go that high before it closes out. It kind of does
But I don't
that,
like
and
this.
then it pulls back down. But yeah, that's kind of too close for comfort for me.
Yeah. If I was
Yeah,
going to take
definitely.
this bid, it'd be like a 2 or 3 minute bid, but it's all turning around now.
Yeah, don't get on that.
This Amazon's not real. It's not a real double cross. I'm going to look for some double crosses. Ooh. Oh man, I love
Boeing.
Apple. Apple looks. No, look at Apple. Apple looks. Yeah. Double cross in Apple is.
Why do I
look
hear
at
you
Boeing.
keep it over to my left ear? Is it my headphones or is it something
It's
on?
your headphones, dude. It's surely your headphones.
Apple looks like it's crossing down.
Did you say
it's-
Boeing?
Second, but I don't know that I would. Okay, is kind of looking sort of my
Yeah.
thing.
I'm with Apple, man. I would even take a down bid on this next candle because it double crossed. And if you think the candle pressure is right, I think we're like pre double cross right here. I think it crossed. It's getting ready to cross. You want to take it? 10 seconds.
I would say, yeah, I would say this is
Okay.
one.
Don't wait for it. Just
It's
go ahead and
hard.
take it.
Yeah.
I mean, unless it does like a total retraction, but I think this is good because it didn't cross yet. I might should have waited one more candle, but still, this would be a fake. Is this a fake?
I don't
double
know that
cross?
it in this kind of scenario. I'm not sure if it's about the crossover as much as it is the candle pressure moving downward. And
Yeah, look at that
you know,
downward pressure.
if this, it just has to. Well, it's a lot of upward pressure right now, but it's got to pull down. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know, man.
It may still pull down. I mean, but I don't see a lot of big wicks anywhere else. So, it's not likely that this is gonna. But
That's not right, man. All right. Well, that was kind of a double cross, and I kind of have a feeling it's going back down. It didn't. Do you see how that double cross kind of faked it? It never confirmed it. I probably should have waited till the confirmation because it didn't confirm the double cross. But now it's
Yeah.
consolidating, so we can't bid on this one again. We're on a third bid. Let's make this win. Can you win? Oh, well, look at Amazon. Amazon is a double cross, dude. Can we take Amazon? Look at Amazon.
hold
It
on.
crossed.
I want to make sure that this trade is an absolute winner.
Oh yeah, I got you,
Amazon
but it
is crossing down. Yeah, it is.
It's crossing
This
down.
is-
It's pretty much crossed down. It's crossed down. I mean, I don't know, man.
But here again, it's kind of the same scenario as the last one. You know, it's about 2 or 3 candles away from
Right.
If that pulls up, like way up, then I'd say take it.
Take it down?
Yeah.
Like there? Like way up there? Look at that.
Well,
That's
I don't
crazy.
know. Do you
can't
think?
take it
Hold on.
now.
Hold off. Because it
Yeah,
just
no, I
shot
can't
way
take
up
it now.
there. So, but it may still go down is what I'm.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
It's just
this
a lot of
was what I
volatility
think.
right there. This is a third trade,
Yeah.
so let's just make sure we
Yeah,
find
no, we
a
gotta be
good.
we gotta be sure. This looks like a double cross. So I mean, if I was gonna, but it's not. I mean, it's kind of like it is confirmed and it crossed down.
Okay,
Well, I gotta be careful because
Alibaba is actually one that I'm eyeballing right now because
Okay.
I think it may go down at least one more red candle after this one.
well, you tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Let it go up a little bit before it turns down, preferably.
Well, I missed that. So hold on.
I saw that. Yep. Folks,
You
that
gotta
was
keep-
our win. Let's wave bye to our win there.
Dang it. When you said take it, I should have taken it, but it was like I thought. it
Yeah,
was getting
that's
ready to
why
go
I
up.
said take it, Eric. That's what that means. Yeah. But you may get one more candle out of it. If this retracts,
Well, should
yeah,
I
I
wait
think it's
for
gonna-
it to end?
I don't think
and-
it's going to pull way up, so I might take the dip on this one.
What's that mean?
It means take it when it retracts
Take-
a little bit and then get in.
Okay.
You're
okay.
at 8 seconds and it just keeps pressing down, so I would
Okay.
get in. But at this point,
Wait. I'm just waiting for it to retract a little bit here, but yeah, I can't.
I don't know that it's going to. That's why you should have taken it at the last second of that candle, because I don't think it's going to retract. Not much anyway. It's just going to keep going down.
Folks, we have a breakdown of bidding finger.
Wave goodbye to our second win in a row.
What is this, Alibaba? All right, tell me what you want me to do.
Well, I wanted you to enter 2 candles ago, but no one retracts at all.
Right now? Now?
Take it right now. Yes, get in there now.
I did.
Okay, and
I did.
hopefully
But,
it doesn't keep
but you're
retracting.
saying like 15 seconds. Yeah, but you're saying 15 seconds. I'm seeing a little bit less than you. You're saying it's got 15 seconds, and I'm seeing it as a different. It's only got like 5 seconds. So maybe I don't know. Maybe we're there. We go. Let's make this our third win for the night, folks. Let's play some good. What do you want to hear for this win? Because
I don't
Todd was
hear anything.
killing
I
it.
just want to watch it. Just want to watch
Okay.
it win.
I'll give Todd a peaceful win for his third win tonight.
Yeah.
Okay?
Talk about being slapped in the face or something while we watch this.
All right.
Continue
Yeah.
to push down.
If you want a slapping contest, like I know you like arm wrestling contest, right? I mean, you've had
I like
those
to arm
before.
wrestle. Yeah, arm
You only
wrestling's
got 10
fun.
seconds. Arm wrestling's fun. Yeah, you only got 10 seconds, baby. 10 seconds for our next dance party and our third win for the night. We're gonna make it happen. It's gonna happen right here. It's gonna happen right here. You tell me if it wins. Oh,
It
look
wins.
at that. It won.
That's it.
Bro,
All right. That
I
is
am
all
so
she wrote
sorry.
for our trading tonight.
I missed
am,
those. I'm sorry I missed those entries.
What that means is that I called 3 winners in a row. Okay.
And I was feeling nervous, but I think that we need to work we had our little things worked out earlier. I think we need to make sure that you go, don't talk to me
Okay.
about
Are you
seconds.
looking at that that just won on, and that we would have won those other 2 that I said? Do you see what
Yeah,
that's
right,
doing?
yeah.
That is my strategy right there. A wide open. You see the indicators are straight down, and
Yeah.
that's what I'm
And
talking
they're,
about.
and they're moving
steady,
really good.
and they're moving smoothly. And a constant pressure, and there's not a lot of wicks to them either. Did you notice that?
Yeah, right. Yeah, I understood that. And those were
When you see a stair step like that, that's pretty good. If you find a bunch of giant candles, then I'd be cautious. But a bunch of quarter-inch size candles there, that's a good sign that you can enter in and win.
So tonight, let me just quickly write in our message here. I'm going to type in our chat. We had a win, a loss, a win, a loss, and a win. Pretty good. And I think that I just need to know when you say when the candle, would you say when it retracts? What did you say? You said when it retracts.
I said take the dip, meaning when it dips down or pulls back. Well,
when you said dip, you confused me. Yeah,
it would dip if it was going up. If it was an uptrend,
right.
Then it would dip down a little bit.
Right.
But
when you said take the dip, then I should have, as soon as it retracted a little bit, I should have taken it.
Mm-hmm. Within about 15 seconds. What we talked about.
That's
as long you don't do that at like 30 seconds. And if I support, that means the candle's changed and the whole thing's off. If you're not too late to get in.
Right.
So we got a win, a loss, a win, a loss, win. If you're in our inner circle, just know that tonight was a point as long as you are following us at 100% and don't have a stop loss that, would have been cut off at a 30.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't put a stop loss because I think sometimes people follow and then they put a stop loss that's too. Anyway, we teach you all about the in the inner circle, and tonight because I have a splitting headache, I don't want to go on this podcast forever. We're going to end this podcast pretty soon. Join our inner circle. We'll be back every night this week. I'm back in my studio in Nashville. The last night we bid, which was Saturday night, was just not a great night. So we've refined our
we won.
process.
We won 4 trades, but
yeah, we won 4 trades, and it just.
But it was
got really
stressful
close
and it was close.
Right, which I did not like, and I'm sure some of you guys didn't like.
Is that chart still tanking like that?
Oh yeah, it's still going. Look at it. That's Silver Surfer all the way, dude. One time I won like 36 bids on a night. I think I won 36 bids when I was doing my pushing method on a chart like this, because this could go down for another 20 minutes. I mean, you could win another 20 bids on this. It's possible.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna check out our social trading, see who's following us, and oh, look at that. Okay, good. All right, so. Just everybody.
Anybody cool?
Everybody yeah, a bunch of cool people. Franklin A. Franklin A is following us.
That's what I'm talking about. It sounds like my dad's name. I bet he looks like my dad.
I was gonna say he kind of looks like your dad, and he kind of put his driver's license at his profile picture.
Yeah, I noticed that. Who does that?
Just put your driver's license up there as your photo. Yeah, that's hilarious.
Use your driver's license as your profile pic.
As your profile, yeah. Why don't you put your social security number up there too as your username? There's your screen name. All right. This has been a good night. I don't want to spit
my iced tea out all over my.
Yeah. We got Todd a new setup.
This episode is going to be about half the length of all the other ones, but. I kind of like going to a shorter show anyway, as long as we can get in there and win and get out. Because we don't really need to keep people forever. They don't care about watching us ramble for a long time.
I like the long shows. I just like tonight. Anybody experience migraines will understand, man. I feel relieved, though, tonight. I was going into tonight really trusting Todd because we've been talking about his method. I really was going into tonight not feeling any pressure or stress. Because I was like, I know Todd's got this. He's been killing it. He's been winning like crazy. And so I'm going to be relying on that. Sometimes maybe he'll be relying on me maybe. But I don't know. I think that...
the method that I use, I have a lot of confidence because, like you said, that's that downtrend like that. You won a bunch of bids one night. And it's because that is a sure method. When you find that... it could just keep doing that forever. And so when you get in on chart like that. You really only needed to do one more candle, but the likelihood is good that you're gonna win. So that's kind of what I do, is look for that. I guess we want to see
dude,
one more. That guy
Can
is
you
a bad
imagine
dude.
that guy right there? That big bad dude slapping
I've seen
that little
tough.
guy. This guy?
Yeah, dude, that guy. Yeah, I think so.
Oh man. Well, why is he slapping that little teeny guy? Like, that's crazy.
Because that little teeny guy just wants to get his butt kicked. He probably knocked him out cold.
I don't think there's that many girl slapping contests. I mean, I only saw like 1 or 2 on YouTube, Here's a booty slapping championship. Now that would be interesting. I would enter
we
that.
Sure? There might be kids watching. I know my kids are inside the house watching us right now.
It's a booty slapping contest, dude. This chick's gonna smack this chick on the butt. Like that's totally normal.
Yeah, that's normal. Okay.
I see it as totally normal. I see it every day. I see people walking around slapping each other's booties.
Yeah.
All right. That's it for tonight, guys. We're going to go out and make sure to join our inner circle. Take our online course. Go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. You can follow us there and see what it is. And if you have the guts to social follow us, put your $50 in Pocket Option. Get your 50% bonus coupon when you join our affiliate link in the description. And just, have fun. You want to make some money? Make some money with us. We'll see you on the next episode.
Have a good night.